Do you tend to fail with potted houseplants? Perhaps your cat knocks them over, or you put them in a room that's far too dark for them and they die. Maybe you failed with hydroponic plants too. You forgot to top them up with water. Perhaps you even failed with air plants. You not only forgot to water them, but you left them on a top shelf to get dusty. Well, I have a solution for you. How about liquid terrariums? Now, submerged plants are the hot new houseplant trend for 2021, and I'm going to tell you all about them. Lee and John run Slow Pharmacy, which is based in Seoul, South Korea, and their whole ethos is about slowing down with a helping hand from nature. So they've put together these very special botanical beauties for any room of your home. Inspired by traditional herbarium methods, Slow Pharmacy go a stage further. Plants and flowers are dried, then immersed in a special oil solution, and then the bottles are made airtight. The oil mix that these plants are suspended in is a closely guarded secret though. It's more secret than the recipe for Coca-Cola. This is a modern and innovative way to experience nature in your home. There's zero maintenance and much safer for pets and children. Let's check out the range. Here we have a red flowered delphinium. Now this is my favorite from the range. Not only are red flowered delphiniums scarce, but this one has been suspended in time. Absolutely gorgeous. Remember, these are not gonna fade. They're not gonna change over the years. Next, we've got a beautiful fern. Now, isn't this just gorgeous? Lovely fresh green colors, and it's gonna help us with that serenity and mindfulness in the home. Now, this one's kind of fun. This is a type of oregano. Now, this has a tiered bloom at the top in that lovely vibrant pink and gorgeous foliage as well. We all know it's the trickiest houseplant to keep, but how about a maidenhair fern submerged and suspended in time? It's never gonna die, it's never gonna wilt, it's never gonna misbehave itself. And this one is called Capsella, and this is actually related to a very common weed in the UK. And this proves that there is beauty in nature in whatever corner you look. The bottles are magnified so you can see all of those wonderful details. Now, this mindfulness is great for the soul, and these bottles can really bring a touch of serenity to your home. It doesn't matter where you put them. You can put them in a dark room without windows. You can put them on a sunny windowsill. They're never gonna fade. They're never gonna change. These are submerged plants that are basically set for life. It's a unique, sustainable gift, and one that won't panic the recipient. Like, kind of, how do I grow this? What do I do with that? None of that worry here. Zero maintenance. Just place it on the shelf and job done. No roots, no soil, no potting, no watering. No problem.